Hey everyone! Today we're opening the Alienware 16 Aurora model AC16250 with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. For display measurements, full benchmarks, and battery life, see the detailed review on laptopmedia.com, link below. Let's get inside. To access the internals, we unscrew 10 screws from the bottom panel. We're using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. This corner screw is captive, so it loosens but stays in place and helps lift the cover. There's a second captive screw in the opposite corner that does the same thing. A small gap forms here for easier unclipping. The heat sinks sit right behind these openings, so work gently. With the corners already lifted, we unclip the middle section between the hinges. We'll be careful around the heat sinks while opening the cover between the hinges. This section is free, and we'll do the same along the sides. Now we move to the other side. All set, almost there. We finish releasing the clips. With all clips released, we can lift the bottom panel away. Now we disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. We peel off the protective tape over the connector. There's a locking tab holding it in place. We unlock it. Now we pull the connector straight up to disconnect the battery. During reassembly, don't forget to lock it back down. We remove the battery screws. This is a 6-cell 96 watt-hour pack rated at 11.7 volts. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Next, we remove the primary SSD, an M.22230 drive, PCI Express Gen 4x4, NVMe. This metal cover is an EMI shield and heat spreader with a thermal pad underneath. Here's the drive itself, and it's the shorter M.2 2230 size, not the longer 2280. We slide it back into the slot and secure it with the screw. Here's the second SSD slot. Dell rates both M.2 2230 slots for PCI Express Gen 4x4, up to 1 TB per slot. We remove the protective sticker over the Wi-Fi card. It's a MediaTek MT7925B22M with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. Now we peel back the shielding film over the memory area. We remove a memory stick to check it, then reinstall it. There are two SO-DIMM slots. Depending on the configuration, DDR5 runs at 5200 or 5600 megatransfers per second, and this module is rated for 5600. Dell lists up to 32 gigabytes total for this model. And this is the other slot, which is actually slot number 1. It's great to see fully upgradable memory here. Here's a quick look at the cooling system with 2 fans and a large shared heat pipe assembly. And this is the touchpad assembly from the inside. We stick the shielding film back in place. That's the teardown. 2 SO-DIMM slots, 2 M.2 2230 SSD bays, and a big 96 watt-hour battery. For all the results from our laboratory, including display measurements and our battery life test, visit the full review on laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.